I'm Wendy with WIMGO. WIMGO is a business and restaurant directory that pulls in what your Facebook friends like and recommend. See reviews for places to go and things to do with the event section as well. And don't miss movie information such as showtimes, trailers, movie and ticket links. And for every review you place on the site, you're entered to win $200. Now, April is finally here, and with it, spring. There are a lot of great things happening this week, including One Day Without Shoes this Tuesday. This event was organized to raise awareness for the millions of people around the world that go without shoes every single day, and to help find ways that you can help. There are also a lot of things taking place around the country to promote One Day Without Shoes, and hundreds of thousands of people, including many well-known celebrities, are planning to participate. Also, it's National Networking Week. So this week, find a networking event in your area. Remember, it's who you know, so get out there and make some new connections. As I mentioned, we have movie listings and related information on our site. Don't miss films opening this week, including Hannah, Soul Surfer, which is based on a true story, and the remake of Arthur, starring Russell Brand. For your convenience, this information can all be found at wimgo.com. And if you have an iPhone, download our free app that includes a handy Around Me feature to find events, restaurants, and businesses in your local area. Find us on Facebook and Twitter as well, and make sure to tell us what you think of our site. Thanks for watching. I'm Wendy with WIMGO.
WIMGO!